Hi and welcome to Sourced Coffee, your one-stop shop for all your coffee needs. My name is Max and today we're looking at the Jura WE8. Jura is a company that focuses on the quality of the internal parts that directly affect the coffee itself. They have come a long way from their first coffee machine, first made in 1986. The Jura WE8 is a perfect model for a small office or cafe. It's an automatic fresh bean to cup machine with an additional milk fridge to provide fresh milk solutions. The benefit of a bean to cup machine means you get barista style coffee without the need for a barista. Moving on to the specs of this machine, you're looking at about 50 cups per day with this. It's an entry-level machine. This machine comes with a 500 gram bean hopper, suitable for around 70 drinks before you need to refill it. As it is a bean to cup machine, it freshly grinds, tamps and dispenses the coffee with only the press of a button. Jura has implemented a variable brewing unit on this machine, which means you can vary the coffee strength and size depending on your taste. This can be edited in the settings of the machine on the LED screen here, or in the app. This machine, as you can see, has two spouts here, able to make 2 black drinks at once. The milk comes out of this side part here. It also dispenses hot water, perfect for tea drinkers in the office, or if you're running a cafe, anyone who wants tea, just place it under there and it'll dispense hot water, perfect for a tea. On how to use the machine is very simple. Jura provides a handbook on how to set up and operate the machine. This can be found on the website at sourcecoffee.co.uk in the download section, link below. This machine also features a 3-litre water tank, which is easy to take out and refill, just like this. Take it under the sink or simply bring something to it, such as a large jug for you to empty and refill. At the moment, this machine also comes with a 1-litre milk fridge, which is easily refillable. You just simply take this out, fill it up with milk, replace it back in. This attaches to the machine with this cord here. This simply goes on the outside of the machine here, plugs into here and then goes into the machine. This will provide fresh, cool milk. The fresh milk fridge also is able to make hot milk and hot foam, perfect for cappuccinos or lattes, any sort of specialty milky coffee that you would need. When it comes to cleaning this machine, it is super simple. All you have to do is follow the instructions on the front of the machine here. I'll show you a demonstration now. All you have to do is click the program button here, go over to rinse the coffee system, click OK on that, and the machine will rinse by itself. As you can see, that is super simple. Now, when it comes to cleaning the milk system, it is a little bit more complicated. All you have to do is connect the milk line from the spout here that dispenses the milk and put this under here. This will fill this up with water, allow milk cleaner to be cleaned through the milk line out the other side and into this to be disposed of. It walks you through all the steps. It's super simple, super easy to use. It's simply just follow the instructions on the screen. It usually is very straightforward. Any issues, don't hesitate to contact us and we can help you out. My personal thoughts on this machine, it is super easy to use. We use one in the meeting rooms, perfect for dispensing coffees quickly. It can also make specialty drinks, which is an absolute must-have, and being a fresh bean to cup machine means you get the absolute best coffee possible out of the machine, as opposed to like an instant drinks machine where the coffee is already instant and freeze-dried. The fresh beans are ground, tamped and dispensed in one go, making this a super tasty, high-quality machine. The fresh milk as well is just an extra touch that ensures the barista level of coffee that you would want. The only issue with this machine is it doesn't do hot chocolate on its own. There's no way to put hot chocolate in. You would have to put instant chocolate in above the hot water spout and get it to dispense milk or hot water, whatever you use for your hot chocolate. That's the only downside with these Jura machines, but other than that, they are absolutely ideal. There's a little inlet in the back here, which you can put in decaf coffee for any decaf drinkers as well. The strength of the coffee can be adjusted on this little gauge at the back here. Overall, the WE8 is an easy-to-use fresh bean machine that also uses fresh milk. The only thing you have to do maintenance-wise every day is clean the milk line, which is simply here. Super easy to do. All you do is put in some tablets, follow the instructions, it does it all for you. The 3-litre tank on the side for water is ideal. You won't have to fill that up too often, especially in a small to medium-sized environment such as an office or a cafe. The WE8 also needs little to no training. There's no need to be able to learn how to freshly grind or tamp coffee. It does it all internally thanks to the grinder inside. Even in a self-service environment, this machine would thrive simply because all you have to do is click a button on the front, whatever coffee you'd like, and it dispenses it freshly. The only thing to note in a self-service environment is obviously milk-based drinks come out of this left spout here and not out of the middle. So if you are making a latte or anything, make sure you advise your customers to put it under the milk side. Otherwise, anything like that will just come out of the side and they'll lose their coffee. If you are making 2 black drinks, it does dispense 2 at a time, which obviously cuts your serving time in half. If we look at the display here, you'll be able to see different drink selections that the machine can provide. It's very self-explanatory and intuitive to operate. The one-touch system means that all you have to do is click the specialty coffee you desire, and all is done with the press of a button. This is also where all the cleaning information and programs are stored. On top of this, there is the Joe app, which you can download onto your smartphone, adjusting the amount of coffee, milk and milk foam to make your own personal coffee. If you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact us below. Details will be in the description. Feel free to give us a call or look at this machine more on our website, sourcecoffee.co.uk. I hope this has been helpful. If it has, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.